Tsofata here from Le Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we are celebrating all things Botswana because it's about to be Botswana National Independence Day, September 30th. And so I thought, let's sing the national anthem. Hope you like, share, subscribe to this channel to help us grow. And yeah, Botswana there's a whole history lesson about it being a protectorate rather than a colony. But September 30th is our Independence Day. We'll talk history another time. Today we're singing the national anthem. It is called Fatsheleno La Rona, which means our land, this country of ours. Yeah? Let's get started. Oh, before we do, remember, I'm not a trained singer. I'm just trying to help y'all. Okay? All right, let's get started. Fatsheleno la rona ke mpho ya Modimo ke boswa jwa boraetso a le neng ka kagiso tsogang banna tsogang emang basadi emang tlhagafalang re kopaneleng go direla lefatshe la rona ina lentle la tumo la tšhaba ya Botswana ka kutlwano le kagisano e bopagantswe mmogo tsogang banna tsogang emang basadi emang tlhagafalang re kopaneleng go direla lefatshe la rona. That's the Setswana version. We do the English one? Blessed be this noble land, gift to us from God's strong hand. Heritage our fathers left to us, may it always be at peace. Awake, awake, O man, awake, and woman close behind them stand. Together we'll work and serve this land, this happy land. Word of beauty and of fame for the nation of Botswana. Through our unity and harmony, we'll remain at peace as one. Awake, awake, O man, awake, and women close behind them stand. Together we'll work and serve this land, this happy land. Yeah, and the crowd goes wild. So there's etiquette, just like any national anthem. You stand for the national anthem, and usually there's no clapping at the end of the national anthem. That's it. So I hope you have great Boipuso. Boipuso is independence. Boipuso celebration September 30th. And you play the jam and you know the lyrics and you do your thing. Until next time, Bye.